Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk, and I'm here with the video tutorial of the InspireINK blog hop that you hopefully would have seen yesterday. There will be a link down below to the blog so that you can hop around and see what everybody else has come up with. It was a card sketch this time, and this is what I did. It was, the card sketch was simply a circle with a line through it and 3 dots either side, and so this is what I came up with. I wasn't that struck when I first saw it, and I thought, what am I going to do? But this is what I came up with. So stay tuned, and I'll show you how I made it. So I hope you enjoyed the blog hop, and here's the card I made and how I made it. Okay, so I've got some extra pick, very vanilla, so just half a standard sheet, folded in half, scored in half, burnished. That's my scrap for my Stampin. I've used some standard very vanilla, so this is going to be tone on tone of my usual single matte size. The measurements will all be on my blog at nigezza.co.uk. You will, if you did the blog hop, have seen it already, the blog, but it will be linked down below. Now, when I faced with this sketch, I just thought, oh, what am I going to do with that? What am I going to do with that? So put my thinking caps on. I'm using the Eastern Gold vinyl stickers. Now, I've only used these on one project, and so I thought, oh, I'll use that. It's a nice big circle there. Might use that. Might use a smaller one. But that was the circle I was gonna go with. And I thought for the stripy bit behind, I'd go with the stripes that go with it. Okay, let's see what happens. Stitched circle framelit and beautiful peacock. That's what I thought. Bit of gold embossing. Yeah, that was what I thought. So I'm gonna stick that on there so I kind of know where I'm stamping. I've already mounted them, so we're using the peacock and this as the tail feather. Okay, so I need my Versamark ink. I need my gold embossing powder. I need my little scrap that I use to catch my powder. Embossing buddy. Good to go. So there we are. Gonna ink up my peacock. Not long left now, about a week, isn't it, till you can no longer get this free. So if you really want these free items, you need to head over to my shop, link down below, bag yourself £45 worth, and you can choose whichever celebration item you want for free. And you might have noticed that there's new items added. They are available in they're things that are available in the annual and the spring summer catalogue, so that's a really nice bonus. If you do want some of those items, you have to remember to use the code that's in the promotional material and not the code that's in the main catalogue or the seasonal catalogue, because they've got a special code that triggers the freebie. if you put the other code in, you'll pay for them. So it is on my blog to show you. Right, now before I check, oh yeah, perfect, perfect. Right, let's get my heat tool. There we are. And so now I just need to run that through the big shot and cut it out. So I'll go and do that and come back to you. Okay, so yeah, I'll put that strip there. I don't know quite if there'll be a funny jump in the video or something, but my phone went. It was my son. So I had to answer it. So I don't quite know what the effect that will be on filming, but not to worry, I'm sure it'll be fine. Any little blips I can edit out. So I'm just going to stick this over the top. Like so. And then I thought I'm going to take some of these strips and put them sort of either side. That's my thoughts. And I'll put one underneath. There we go. I have done something a little bit wrong there. What have I done? The vinyl sticker is overlapped the sequins. So I'm just trying to pokey tool them out without ruining everything. There we go. This is where being digitally challenged is an issue. There we go. I am just going to snip those bits off the back. There we go. That's brilliant. That's what I wanted. Then I'm going to stick these up on dimensionals. Don't know where my big ones have gone. There we go. using the little ones again, so I don't know where the big ones are. That'll be fine. Oh dear me, there we go. So I'm going to stick this one on there like so. And then the sketch has got 3 dots there and sort of 3 dots there. So I am going to use the circles on this to do that. We have different patterns. So I'm going to use one of each of them. And then I got some little pearls, which I thought I would put in the middle of each one of these. Little flower, circular, decorative elements. And I thought I'd bung a few pearls on the peacock as well. So I'd put one on his head, or well, it is his, isn't it? Because it's the males that have the tails. And then I'll put some on the tail. And I was looking for a little sentiment maybe to put in the middle, and then I decided that I wouldn't. I decided it was fine as it was, and then it's just a matter then of mounting that on there. You could put a bit of gold around it if you wanted to make it pop. Let's have a little look. Do we want some gold foil around that to make it pop? I've been working so much with the springtime foils that that's what I was kind of thinking of when I was doing this card. I was thinking of the springtime foils, and I'm not sure if that wouldn't be too much. Yeah, I think that's too much. I think we're going to go for a subtler look there. Just stick that on there. So I would like to pop it up. I think that would be nice. So I'm going to cut these edge bits, being as I can't find the bigger pads. And I ain't putting 65 million of these wee ones all the way around. What I am going to do is I'm going to put a bit, oh, pull the top of that one off, a bit on the sequins, hold them in place. It's nearly holding my fingers in place, that. There we go. Get these off. There we have it. So that's my interpretation of that card sketch. Okay, all the details are over my blog, nigezza.co.uk, and you'll be able to hop from there to have a look at what the rest of the team have come up with that card sketch. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. See you again soon. Bye-bye.